How to add website to Google Business Profile. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can add websites to Google Business Profile. So just watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Google Business account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, go ahead and select the edit profiles page, as you can see next to read reviews. Now once you click on edit profile, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see business information. And then under business information, you'll see five different tabs which include about, contact, location, hours, and then more. Each of these tabs contains things that you can use to edit your profile. So for the purpose of adding a website, to be working with contact, so just click on contact. Then once you click on contact, you would see contact information, which includes phone number, website. Okay, so to add a website, just click on the website page this way, and then scroll down, and then input the link to your website here. After typing the link to your website here, click save, and then just like that, your website will be added to your Google Business account. It is very, very quick and easy. And then for you to carry out other settings or other information or other things by clicking on location. By clicking on location, you can edit the location of your business here, as well as the hours. And then once you click on more, you can add attributes to your business. Now attributes are things that attract customers besides the actual product you're selling, so you can just use this to add more customers. And then once again, to add websites, click on contact, then select website, add the link to it, click on save, and just like that, the website will be added to your Google Business. Thanks for watching, and do have a nice day.